Washington State fire looks like a volcano. It threatens hundreds of homes. It threatens hundreds of homes. This is a natural disaster. It was lit by somebody with a cigarette, somebody throwing something out the window. It struck by lightning. I don't know. But it's the sad to see what life threatens hundreds of people's homes. It's very hard to understand when the wildfires get out of control and threatens 100 people's homes. It's hard to understand when these things happen. Someone throws a cigarette out a window. Somebody could have lit it. Who knows? Nobody knows. Nobody knows what happened. The Washington State wildfires are out of control, and they're burning closer and closer to people's homes. This is historical news. It's gory. It's frightening. It's scary. And it threatens hundreds of people's homes. This is 7 billion historical news. This is 7 billion historical news for the blazing inferno. Washington State. Let's hope nobody gets hurt. Nobody loses their lives. Homes can be replaced. Memories can't. The lives can't. Even more than that. Lives cannot be replaced. This is 7 billion historical news. Thank you for watching.